We're going to continue certainly to monitor the situation. We're going to continue certainly to monitor the situation, but when it comes to any type of human rights issues here, the president has been very consistent in speaking loud and clear.
Vandalism continues across Bangladesh even after an interim government was formed following Sheikh Hasina's ouster on 5th August. Massive violent protests in Bangladesh forced Hasina to resign and flee the country after MD Yunus led the interim government. However, the violence seems far from ending as minorities across the nation are being targeted now. Hundreds of Hindus took to the streets protesting against attacks on their properties and lives after the fall of Sheikh Hasina's regime. The protesters held placards, photographs of vandalized Hindu houses and temples after Hasina's exit. Meanwhile, US Hindu groups held a protest outside the White House urging President Biden to take steps against the atrocities. Hindu Democrats Raja Krishnamurthy, Sri Thanadar also wrote to the administration raising concerns over violence against minorities in Bangladesh.
The weekend, several Hindu American groups held a protest march in front of the White House, urging the president that he should be taking some steps to stop the atrocities against Hindus in the Bangladesh. And also two of the Hindu lawmakers, Raja Krishnamurthy and Sri Thanadar, who both are from the Democratic Party, they have also written letters to the administration seeking their help in stopping atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh and other minorities.
So look, we're going to continue certainly to monitor the situation. I don't have anything else to add, to say beyond that. But when it comes to any type of human rights issues here, the president has been very consistent in speaking loud and clear in public and also privately. Don't have anything, and he'll continue to do that, but don't have any specific engagement to speak to at this time.
White House spokesperson Karine Jean-Pierre said that the US is monitoring the situation in violence-hit nation.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.